We're going to do a little clams today. Just to, because we've got them, because we had to buy a bag of 50 for our linguini and clam sauce, and that's what we're going to do. So we have 38 clams in there, little neck clams. We have 2 tablespoons of butter for each of us, which we're going to do and get warm. And we've got some bowls, which is here, and we've got knuckles of bowls and plates and a big bowl. That's how we're going to do it, boys and girls. So, cover the clams, single level, large pan. What we want is to bring those to a boil. Boil till they open. Any that don't open, throw away. Any that you find cracked when you pull out, throw away. It's not worth your health. So we'll bring you back when they get hotter, higher and hotter. And we had a minute boil over because I turned my back for 5 seconds, which is what happens, so you don't turn your damn back. You know how those things are. So we're just waiting, and they're starting to open already, of course. And we don't want to overcook these, so as they open, we're going to take them out. Christ, I think they're open quicker than I can take them out. In fact, I think they're all. So let's see how we are here. A couple. We'll give them another minute or so. And we're not going to discard them right away because they haven't opened, but we're going to be careful. As sick as a dog with this stuff, man. I feel like you just want to die. So you don't take chances with shellfish ever. So we have, looks like we might have 100% open, which is just awesome. That one's open, so we'll look at it a little carefully, more carefully. I'll take him myself and look at it, but I think it's okay. It looks like 100% open, which is freaking awesome. There's another one. Nope, he's dead. I think we have almost 100% open, which is still awesome. See, he's open a little bit too. Let's let him in there for a second. And this guy's come around, so we're going to let him in here for a second too. As I said, they do come around sometimes. See? This guy was almost totally closed and he opened. This guy's opening up even more and more. So, serve with a couple of tablespoons of melted butter and clams. Thanks for watching today's tip.